In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the integrations functionality in HaloSocial to add Google and Facebook sharing and to add anti-spam protection. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and then select HaloSocial from the menu. When the HaloSocial page loads, select Configuration and then click the Integrations tab. On this page, you'll notice three areas marked Facebook, Google, and reCAPTCHA. The Facebook and Google boxes allow you to enable Facebook sharing and Facebook and Google authentication and Google Plus sharing. reCAPTCHA adds anti-spam protection. Each of these is a bit complicated and requires us to go to a different site to complete them, so let's work through them one at a time. Let's start by integrating Facebook sharing. To do this, simply select Yes from the radio buttons, and now to get the client ID and client secret, we're going to have to go to a separate site. We're going to have to go to the Facebook developers website. That's developers.facebook.com. Log in with your Facebook credentials, then go to the My Apps menu and select Add a New App. We're putting this on a website, so select the website option. Now, let's give our app a name, and then click Create New Facebook App ID. They ask us if this is a test version. It's not, so no change is needed. You do need to select a category. You can select whatever you want. I'll select Utilities, and then I'm going to click Create App ID. Now on this page there's some information we don't need, but if you scroll down to the bottom you do need to complete this field. Put in the URL of the site where HaloSocial is located. In this case I'm going to use the HaloSocial demo website, and then click the Next button. Now the rest of this information we don't need, so simply skip Quick Start. Now it looks like it's ready to go. There's our app ID and our app secret, but the reality is the app's not yet live, and we know that because this button is still just plain white instead of colored. So we need to make our app live. To do that, click the Settings option and put in the app domain. This needs to match your site URL. And also, even though it's not marked, you need to put in a contact email. So put in a contact email in the field provided, and then once that's done, click the Save Changes button, and now we've done everything we need to do. So let's go back to Status and Review, and here we can toggle this option and make the app live. We have to confirm it, and you'll see that little green circle now is solid. That means our app's live, it's ready to go. So go back to the dashboard, grab the app ID, copy that, go to HaloSocial, paste that in the field provided. Now let's go back and get the app secret, copy that, paste it into the field, and now click the Save button and you're done. Integrating Google sharing and Google authentication is very similar to the same process we use for Facebook. First we need to enable this option, then we need to obtain the client ID and client secret. Just like with Facebook, we need to go to a different site to do that, but in this case we're going to the Google Developers Console, which is located at console.developers.google.com. Log in with your Google credentials, and then from the combo box select Create a Project. Give your project a name, click Create. Now the system will create the project. This takes a little bit. Once that's done, go to the APIs and Auth option. Click on that. Click Credentials. Now it's going to prompt us and ask what type of credentials do we want to create. Click the Add Credentials button and select OAuth 2.0 Client ID. Now it's going to prompt you for configuration of a consent screen, so click that. It's going to use your Google ID email address. You need to then give the product a name, and that's all you need to do. Go down and click the Save button. Once that's done, indicate what type of application. This is a web app. Again, give it a name, and this is really for your convenience. Let's just be consistent here. Now there's two fields we have to fill in, and this information actually comes from HaloSocial. Here is the redirect URL, so copy that. You'll need that for Google to put in this second field, Authorized Redirect URLs. For the JavaScript origins, simply put in your domain. And then click the Create button. And we're done. There's the information we need, the client ID. Copy that. Paste that into HaloSocial. Now go back and get the client secret. Copy that. Paste that into HaloSocial, and then click the Save button, and we're done. Google Plus sharing and authentication is enabled. To use reCAPTCHA, which is the anti-spam protection you see on many sites, you need to obtain a site key and a secret key. That's done by visiting google.com/reCAPTCHA. Log in with your Google credentials and then click the Get reCAPTCHA button. This is very simple. All you need to do is give it a label, put in the domain that this is going to be used on, indicate who the owner is, select whether you want the owner to receive alerts, and we're going to disable that in this case, and then click Register. You'll immediately be given the credentials you need. Copy the site key, paste that into the field in HaloSocial. Now go back and get the secret key, copy that, make sure you get it all, paste that into HaloSocial. Now click the Save button, and you're done. reCAPTCHA anti-spam protection is now available throughout your HaloSocial installation.